Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this Shop-Vac, and Shop-Vac was nice enough to send this over to us for us to check out. Now, it's pretty much just like any other Shop-Vac, just a little bit of a smaller variant here. As you all know, they have all different sizes. So let's go ahead and get into using this one here really quick. My car's got a little bit of grass and stuff down there in the bottom of it, so we're going to go ahead and unwrap this. It has a nice lengthy hose on it, as you see right there. It's got some attachments here. We're just going to use the little crevice type tool right here. It also has these ones here, which are great for suctioning up moisture and stuff like that off the ground, or for using on like carpet, bigger areas to clean. But we're just using this small one for the car. All right, so boom, right there, that is how you use it. Really easy, a lot of suction on this. Picked up pretty much all that grass and stuff inside there. I'm gonna go ahead and cover just a few things inside this. It does come with your baggie right here. You don't have to use it with this bag, but if you're doing work with like fine particles, drywall, stuff like that, it's always good to use that. This one here is going to be your wet filter because it is a wet dry vac. So you want to put this on anytime you're sucking up large amounts of water. Obviously it's going to come with your instructions here also. So I'll go ahead and open this really quick and show it to you. We'll just kind of remove these so they're not in the way. Oh, and also it does have these long extensions on here, which are great. I always like to use these for cleaning in the corners in the house, getting this cobwebs out of the way. Go ahead and unwrap our cord here completely. And then these sides here, they do pop off. And then you're gonna open this up, and right inside here is where your filter is going to be. You just twist this, give it a nice firm twist. And this is your dry filter. Go ahead and take it off. And then like I said, in order to put your wet filter on here, it just goes on here like this, and then you turn it, and then you are good to go. And then like I said, you also do have that bag that you can put in here as well. But that's pretty much it right here. This just goes right back on there. Snap that into place, snap that into place, and then you're good to go. So yeah, if you're looking for a nice Shop-Vac, wet dry vac, this one's small, it's on wheels, easy to go around, can't beat it. Go ahead and check this one out.